Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful and easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies cardigan, baby sweater, jeans sweater, and also you can knit a blanket with this pattern. See, this is very easy pattern. This is the look of this pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 10 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 10. This pattern, this is the repeat pattern. This pattern is made of 7 stitch and this pattern is made of 3 stitch. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10, 10, 10, and plus 3 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides, right? So this is only 10 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast 10 multiples of 10 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 25 stitches on my needle, which is 10 plus 10 20 plus 3 extra stitch 23 and 2 edge stitch 25. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit, your edge stitch knit, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, knit 7. That's the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and we have one more repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, knit 7. And last 4 stitch, we have done 2 repeats, and your last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and then edge stitch knit. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and then knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's the repeat. Purl 3 and knit 7. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And your last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch knit. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side. For row 5 right side, knit edge row 1 or 3, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and then knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's the repeat. Purl 3 and knit 7. Again purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit. Row 6, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. I am going to skip my all wrong side rows from this row. So, row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. Now for row 7, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 4. Now knit these 3 stitch. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 4 and knit 2 together. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK and knit 1. This is the repeat pattern. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 4, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK, knit 1. Last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. For row 9, knit edge row 7, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 4 and then knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK SSK and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK and knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK and knit 1. And your last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit. Wrong side, row 10 wrong side and last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. See, we have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 10 rows, row 1 to row 10 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.